I wanted to take a moment and talk to you about kind of the coolest part about the new Voyager model, at least in my opinion, which is this. If you listen to that, there's a very satisfying click as you get it between these two positions. I want to show you how that works, why it works, and how you can build the model to make sure it works. Because I did this side properly, and you can see it really does click into those two positions. This side, I did not. See, there's plenty of friction and it can hold itself up, but this side does not have that satisfying click, and I want to show you why. So this is a standard edition. I've already put a little bit of a base coat. I'm sanding down a few rough areas here, but I'm also working on the clear or the translucent piece. But I'm also working on the clear or the translucent version of the kit, and that's what I have here. I've already started painting the inside black to block out light, but here's how this part works. The hinge actually has a very small, delicate fin on the back of it. So you can kind of see it right there. And it fits into the pylon like this. Now the pylons kind of squeeze that fin in right here, and that's what holds it nice and horizontal. However, when you kind of rotate it, you can see it kind of push itself out, and then it'll snap in when it gets to the next position. Here's the one I've already assembled, and you can see it's clicked into place here, then it clicks into place there. And if you look right here on this opening, you can see that to move between the two, it needs a little bit of flex. So you can see that fin pushes it open just the tiniest bit as it moves. So locked in place. So you can see right here it's locked in place. Then it opens up just ever so much as that fin moves to the second position, and then it'll click into place at the next one. Now, when I built this side, the one that doesn't have the nice click, I really did glue this here, and I put a bead of glue here, and I clamped it really well. And I clamped it so much that there wasn't flex for that hinge to move. You see there's nothing glued, but just it kind of locks that fin into the back place. So when you're building this, if you want that hinge to really work well, don't glue this. And I'd probably stop your glue someplace over here so that you can have this move, and that fin can move from one position to the other. And then you'll have that really nice satisfying click where it locks into place. That'll also make sure to hold these up in the right position. So once again, a very, very cool hinge mechanism. Very nice for you to be able to lock it up in place and not have them fall down. On this one, like I said, I kind of glued it. That fin does provide a lot of friction so that I can kind of leave it in whatever position I want. But because I didn't give it room to kind of flex, I don't get that real satisfying click as it locks into place. All right, so hopefully that gives you an idea about one of the coolest little features on this little ship. And feel free to check out my YouTube channel to see the full assembly of this, the standard edition. And over the next few days, more about the clear version that we're lighting up.